Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hello! Do you know the difference between blonde and blonde? Let's explore that today, shall we? Let's go! The word blonde with no E can be an adjective. Example, Laura has blonde hair. So blonde describes hair. Okay? Now blonde can also be a noun. Example, my cousin Harry is a blonde. So it can be an adjective and it can be a noun. Okay? All right. Now let's look at blonde with an E. Can be a noun or an adjective, but applied only to women. Okay? So when you add E, it's only for women, not for men. The noun carries a negative cultural meaning, so please be careful when you're using blonde as a noun. Now let's look at some examples. Lisa has gold blonde hair. Okay, so that's no problem. That's a good sentence. That's an adjective describing hair. Okay, now the second sentence, what do you expect from Lily? She's a blonde. Okay, so that's very negative in meaning, right? So please be very careful when using it as a noun, okay? Now you know. To practice, use both words in your own sentences. Type your sentences in the comment section. I will check and give you feedback. This is an excellent way to practice using the two words we learned today. I look forward to your comments. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.